Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the tech landscape. Some even say it's taken over the world. Is Electro Voice exploring AI integration in its software or product lineup? If so, could you share what that might look like and how it could shape the future for DJs?
Yeah, I mean, great question. The short answer is yes. That is stuff that we're looking at. Especially with auto EQ and room tuning sort of things.
Okay.
It's a good idea to be looking at those options. I think, especially on our installed systems, I think there's opportunities to do that. The question is at what level would that be deployed by the user? You know, the interesting thing around that, because obviously a loudspeaker is capable, obviously of building in a microphone and listening to its environment. That would be in theory relatively easy to do, and then running it through software that analyzes what it's hearing, and then EQing itself for the environment that it's in. In theory, that's very doable. The question for us, I think, is what is it ultimately? What is ultimately the goal, right? Because you could program it to tune it a certain way, but that might not necessarily be what the goal that you would have in mind as a user, right? Obviously, a good starting point would be to have the speaker try to tune itself so that the response is as neutral or as flat as 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 a good starting point, and then you would have to make adjustments for what your personal tastes are. But you kind of are already there anyway, right? So
Yeah.
it's something we're looking at. It really just depends on at what level would that be deployed. It's certainly something that could benefit a lot of users who don't know a lot about audio, but you would also have to have some understanding anyway to be able to make those adjustments. I think AI can certainly solve a lot of those problems over time, but again, AI is a funny thing. We're in this weird place right now. I think, even just with general use on Grok or Chat GPT, right? You can use these things, but the results you get kind of depend on the information that you give it in the first place, right? How do you
Yeah.
word the question to get the answer that you're really searching for? So that's no doubt going to change and develop over the next, decade. I'm sure we will see things like that, come into audio more and more. You kind of see that a little bit on the consumer side, with some room tuning stuff and auto EQ for home theaters and things of that nature. It hasn't really crept into the professional space yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if it did.
Yeah, I mean, I love AI.
Yeah.
Admittedly, at first I was scared of it. I'm not even gonna lie. The first thing I thought was Terminator.
Yes.
But
Yeah,
it
I
is,
mean, here we are.
yeah, but it is useful. And I don't know, I think AI powered speakers would be interesting, to say the least.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, do you think it would go? I mean, I put that back on you. Do you think at a certain point they would read the crowd and just play the songs for you too? I mean,
You know, I I'll say this. AI is capable, right? Like
yeah,
you set up cameras, lidars, microphones, it'll be able to look at faces, get reactions, see what's working, see what's not, whatever. But the one
sure.
thing AI will never have that a DJ always will is soul. We're human,
That's true. That's true.
right?
Yeah,
So it might know the songs to play, but like it doesn't know if a song's special to somebody, right? If it's a dedication or mom's favorite
right.
song, like it's things it would never know. So
For
I
sure.
think in some use cases, there will be scenarios where AI will be able to handle, like, let's say a bar or a restaurant, right? Maybe they don't want to spend
Right.
money on a DJ, but they want to host a dance night. I can
Yeah.
see AI occupying that space. But in terms of larger things like larger nightclubs or weddings, I think we're safe, man. I really
Yeah, I
don't
think so
think,
too. Because and I don't mean to diminish like what a DJ does, because I know that the best DJs are there to be so much more than a DJ, right? It's not about just playing the songs, right? It's so much more of being the focal point in the entertainment and managing the whole experience of what you're doing. And like you said, DJ's got the soul. So, being to be the glue that brings the people together, right? The music is the reason, but the DJ is the is the guy stirring the pot. You got to do the right thing that way. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah. And, I don't think AI would take risks. Well, I don't
Yeah.
think AI would make a left turn in the middle of a dance set. But, you know, I could be completely wrong. In 10 years, I might not have a job. We'll see.
Yeah, no, I think we're okay, right? I mean, someone at the end of the day, if nothing else, someone's got to bring the speakers, right? So
Absolutely. Somebody has to set the stuff up, right?
yeah, exactly right.